You won't believe this incredible CNC cutting machine. This is a beast. 400mm GRBL 1.1f CNC laser engraver 15W wood engraving machine 12 volts 5 2-axis laser cutting printing etched Cautery CNC 6550. 5500 megawatts laser is adjustable lens for focus. Suitable focus length is 6-7 cm. It can engrave on wood, plywood, bamboo, leather, black acrylic, plastic, rubber, etc. It also can cut about 2 mm carbon board and wood board. 15W laser is fixed 18 mm focus. Engrave much faster, large power. It can engrave on stainless steel easily and fast speed, and also suitable for some other metal printing. It can cut about 3-4 mm wood, leather, black acrylic, and etc. Parameter. Model CNC 504065504030 laser engraver. Engraving area 50-40 cm 65-50 cm 40-30 cm. Bullet in firmware GRBL 1.1f. Frame material aluminum and acrylic. Control software Laser GRBL works with Liban software. Working mode USB with PC for Windows XP 7, 8, 10 or offline controller.